What you got?
Got this Noam sound system for side by side. I open her up. This is the 5. See what's in here. Ooh, boy. Look at that. This is what y'all need to get for y'all's bugs. See, comes with this. It's an all do-it-yourself kit. Get it online. Come right to the house. I got it in 3 days. Subwoofer. That 10-inch subwoofer. This supposed to be the wires. Comes with the amp. 2 pods. All the mounting kits. Another 2 speakers. For my back rack. Got a 4-seater, so I recommend getting that one. Everything's there. Let's open it up. Let's see what this new subwoofer is. Their newest subwoofer they got to offer. 10-inch sub. Mounting brackets. Wrap it up pretty damn good. Well protected. That's a good thing coming through the mail. Oh, where did the scissors go? I'm excited. Yeah. Pack a punch. 10-inch sub. Your boy. Yeah, all the wires you should need. Stickers. Here's a little amp. It's a 4-channel amp because there's 100-watt speakers. Each one of those power speakers. It's the head unit, goes with the toggle switch. Everything you need. That's in that box.
Everything's well packaged.
Should have 2 tower speakers. Down here, all the speakers you need, all the wire, everything already in there. You shouldn't have to have anything. You get it's called the NUTV5. You get the 4 of the tower speakers and the 10-inch subwoofer, and you get the amp. Can't beat it. I'll post a video later too of what it sounds like when it's all done. Y'all go see what's up. I'm gonna see what's up.